Hey everyone, welcome to our Tuning WP YouTube channel. Today I will guide you through the basics of our free version Resize Control plugin. We will start off by going to our Tuning WP website to download the plugin, but you can also download it from the WordPress store itself. It's up to you. If the download is finished, you go to your website and to the plugin section. Upload the Resize Control plugin. Wait a second and press activate. Now you will see the Resize Control item appear in the dashboard sidebar. The first thing you will see are the main options. Here you can select ignore roles, but first will you make sure enable resize is on. Then I want all editors to have the freedom to upload whatever they want, so I turn off automatic resize for them by selecting the editor role. And now press save. Now to set all the compression and resize features, we go to the per post type menu item. This is the place where you can select the post type where you want to resize or compress it. But we have the free version for now, so we select general because this will affect all media uploads for every post type. First we turn on resize dimensions. Next we set our max height and max width. I will set the height to 900 and the width also to 900 for this example. We also want to keep our media sizes small, so we convert every PNG to JPEG. But this is optional because the resizing compression also works for the PNG file format. Now we set the compression level. The higher the value, the smaller the file, but it affects the quality of the images. So for now we set it to level 2. Now we press save again. Now we have a basic setup for the image upload. So let's test it. If you go to the WordPress media section, I will demonstrate the resizing compress effects on an image. This example image currently has a size of 760 kilobytes and it's a PNG with the dimensions of 774 in height and 1032 in width. When I upload by pressing open, you will notice nothing different than the standard media upload process. Now if we click the image, you will see that the dimensions, size and file type are changed. We divided the size by more than 10 times. Thanks for watching this tutorial, we appreciate if you subscribe. We're planning to release more of those videos, so if you have a question about our plugins, leave a comment and we might address your question in another video.